Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn the overused and universally hated stud shooter into a tree. You're going to start with 2 stud shooters like this, connect them like so, and then start layering some branches on, starting with the larger branch element, which will just stick right onto that stud shooter there. Add another one on the other side, and a few extra small ones on those studs. Make multiples, and then you can start stacking them. This is the hardest part because stud shooters do not have a lot of friction between studs, so it's going to take quite a few tries to get it to stay. Okay, that worked pretty well. We've got one more layer that's smaller than the rest of them. That's gonna go right there. And then the final layer just has 2 really small branches and 1 stud shooter. That's gonna go on the very tip, along with 1 stud shooter by itself to go on the base of the trunk. And then the last piece you're going to add isn't really a stud shooter, but it's still needed. It's this Technic piece here. You gotta put it right there at the end. That way it can attach onto any studs you need to put it on. And there you go. That's your finished stud shooter tree. Now I'm gonna put it on a build and show you what it looks like. Just gonna put it on that 1 stud there. And there we go, a beautiful tree. Also guys, if you like the look of this mock, don't worry, I will do a full review of it sometime soon. I hope you guys like this tree design as much as I do, especially the fact that it uses all those unwanted stud shooters. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.